As some of you may be aware, I partnered with the health research organization company DoNotAge around 3 or 4 weeks ago, and their mission is about DNA repair, longevity, anti-aging, wellness, helping the body heal itself, regenerate itself, and also maybe even reverse biological age internally through the use of their supplements. So some of the supplements that I've been taking, I thought I would share with you now. So I have Pure NR, which I've just got only recently, which helps to boost your NAD levels. So if you're someone like me who has had an autoimmune disease, my mitochondria needs a heck of a lot of support. So by taking supplements such as NR for your NAD to boost it, it can help reverse some of that oxidative stress, the free radical damage, and the chronic inflammation that we have with autoimmune. And it's also the same when women are going into premenopause and menopause. So you have a lot of DNA damage, and as a side effect of that, you might have chronic fatigue being one symptom. So NR may help to give you more energy. That is one supplement I'm taking. The other one that I have got is the SIRT6 activator, which helps with your longevity genes. So our longevity genes are, of course, going to help slow down internal aging. Of course, I would suggest to do this, guys, with a healthy diet alongside it, because if you're consuming lots of sugar and alcohol and processed foods, etc., you are not helping your longevity genes, because that is going to create chronic inflammation, and therefore your longevity genes are going to be decaying, and that's where you're going to see signs of aging, deterioration. So we want to maintain the length of those telomeres, the stem cell regeneration, and these supplements like the SIRT6 can help with that as well. The other one that I'm taking, I've just got, is the nitralis, which is nitric oxide. So I take that anyway with beetroot juice. So my clients who have Health Empowerment, my recipe book, there's a lot of beets in there. And the reason why there's a lot of beetroot is because it's not only good for raising nitric oxide, giving you that strength, that endurance, which we love when we exercise. That gives you that power, and that's what that is with the nitralis as well. Not only that, with things like beetroot, because it's got the nitric oxide in, and as well as the nitralis, you are going to slow down aging. You are going to get that circulation moving. So again, if you're someone like me who's had radioactive iodine, I have low thyroid now because of that. And one of the symptoms that I have is cold hands and feet. So I know what supplements to take to help my circulation move. That's another reason why I have a lot of beets and pomegranates in my diet. But nitralis does the same. So it's moving that and that circulation, that blood flow. And you may find that when you're in the gym, you might have that extra power because you're taking things like this. And then it gives you that glow of the skin as well. So when you're getting older, of course, we want that glowy skin. And the other one that I'm taking, well, of course, it's a probiotic, because I am a gut health specialist. So probiotics, if you've read my book, Beauty and the Gut, you know it's all about the probiotics, why we need to have them. I was driving back from work today, and on the radio, it said there are thousands of people. It did say the number of thousands, but I can't remember. Thousands of people in hospital right now with the flu. Remember, your immune system is 60 to 70%, even 80% of the gut health. So your gut microbiome needs looking after. If you can't stop picking up colds, flus, and viruses, you also have my How to Beat Coronaviruses and Other Viruses Naturally book. If you are someone who can't stop picking them up, you need to learn why, because your immune system is weak. We have to have probiotics in our diet. We have to have fiber. We have to have soluble fiber. If you're just taking a probiotic and you're not feeding your probiotics with fiber, I do believe these also contain a little bit of inulin as well. So there's a bit of fiber in there, I think. I will check for you because I can't remember. I'm sure I read that. You've got to have your soluble fiber to be able to feed your probiotic, as well as that insoluble fiber. So those are the 4 that I've got right now from DoNotAge. There was another one that I was taking is NMN. And if I'm going to be completely honest, NMN is my favorite. I have run out. I don't have it at the minute. And I do notice, since I've not been taking it, that even though my classes have been really hard this week, people are telling me they're really hard this week, I don't know what it is, I just have strong classes. But the NMN gave me more power. It made me feel more alert. I had more energy with it. And even though these do help, I don't feel the same kind of energy that I had with NMN. So out of all of the supplements that I have got with DoNotAge, I would say that NMN is my absolute favorite. And that is the one that I'm definitely going to be buying. Of course, the probiotics, they are my faves. So if you've got any questions about their supplements, do let me know. And with your diet, it's health empowerment. feed your body with beetroot and pomegranates and everything that is full of the rainbow. Avoid anything that is feeding your inflammation, because the more we feed inflammation, the more damage we're doing to our DNA. In 2026, I have a new method. It is called the DNA Goddess Wellness Method. And what we are going to be doing is helping reverse our biological age through supplements such as these, and also through our diet, nutrition, of course, gut health, liver health, and detoxification. This is for females only. Premenopausal to menopausal. If you want to be part of this, if you want to learn more, it is going to be on my other Instagram page, which is GoddessDNA Wellness Method. I am going to try and keep it separate to Instagram, Holistic Danny Gut Health, because this is just something so unique, something so powerful for females. So I would say go to that page, like it, because more is coming in 2026. Be ready. I'll pop the link to these supplements to my store down below. And if you are buying from me, put the code DannyGut to get 10% discount off. Again, if you have any questions about these supplements, just drop me a message and let me know. My women's hormone course is, of course, out now. You can get access to that through my website. Have a look on my website. I will also link my hormone course down below if you are interested in learning how to manage your hormones naturally, balance your hormones naturally, and also start to regenerate your DNA. So we want to reverse this biological age clock. So every day we are getting older, but some days we can slow it down by taking supplements like what DoNotAge are providing, but also learning the diet, which is what I'm here to coach you with, teach you with, help boost our progesterone as much as we can if we're not stressed out, because remember, stress lowers our progesterone, and as a female in premenopause, we need to keep our stress low to keep our progesterone higher. So wait for 2026, my new method to arrive. But for now, if you're new to my channel, please do check out my book's already there, my course is already there, and get ready for that 2026, because I have more coming your way, all on female health, all on regeneration of our hormones, all for slowing down aging, longevity, and just making ourselves feel fabulous for going into older age, because I'm heading up to 50, guys, and I want to maintain, a healthy body. Maybe I'll start to age externally, but internally, I want to feel good. I want to be able to continue my Pilates, my yoga, my weight training, and do all of that and have no pain in my body. And also, because I do have low thyroid with that radioactive iodine, I have to look after my mitochondria and my DNA from the damage that was done to me in the past. And if you have been eating a bad diet, you also need to do the same. So I will see you in 2026.